I've never seen. That was a lot. You gotta be freaking ready. Oh my god. What time is it?
6:29.
Right here, Fuck.
Oh, dude. Those are two woodies for sure.
Alright, we gotta pay attention here. Alright, you guys, fuck. Come back around.
Dude, they're flying perfect.
You gotta pay attention.
Yeah, call my dad.
Probably fucking missed.
They were so clumped up, I literally.
That's a flock of something.
Yep, flock of something way out there.
And it's moving pretty fast, so I don't think it's geese.
Too right. Kill him.
Let's go! Fucking A! I think I shot 3 times on that one.
Okay, watch him.
Yeah, reload.
Dude, they're landing in here.
I know. Holy shit.
Gotta grab that bird.
Well, you guys, it's freaking crazy morning. Got 2 birds down. I don't know what time it is, but shooting light started like 6 minutes ago. Birds have just been flying like crazy. Got 2 birds down. It's cold as shit. Oh, it's exciting as hell. Oh my god. Birds are just flying like crazy. Teal? We got 2 dead teal. Let's go.
What's with the teal down here?
But yeah, a lot of birds flying. And definitely a lot of gunshots this morning, so looks like everybody else is having a good time too. Just comes right around that corner.
So I'm gonna let you shoot first.
See how bad my shot is. We can use the water and see.
On the water. That's what I mean. That's how I noticed. I was like freaking 2 feet behind that last shot. Was close though.
Oh, is that him that just took off, or is that a different bird? You see that?
That's another one.
Come on. Yeah, because he took off from like right there.
Wait, yep, coming right. He's through the trees.
Yep. Come on.
See him?
Yep. Yep.
Kill him.
Nice shot, dude. I was shooting at the
You
other
shot
one.
that.
What?
You shot the other
I
one?
was shooting at the other one.
I thought you shot it, dude.
No, I was shooting
We
at the
shot
other
the
one.
same time and I saw it drop. Damn it.
Hey, we got another one though. I figured because I was like, I'll shoot at the further one.
I didn't even know there was 2. That's the only one.
Dude, look at the feathers.
That's the only one I saw. I took 1 shot.
What? Oh, you did?
I shot once, dropped him, and then all of a sudden you're shooting at the other one. I didn't even know there was a second.
Dude, yeah. Well, cause like the one came through the trees, and that, yeah, it must have been the other one picked up.
Yeah.
Damn. Well, that's okay. Freaking A. That's funny. I definitely missed because I was shooting at that other one, but.
I really stopped because I didn't see him. And B, I was like, yeah, like I guarantee you got that one.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh no.
I swear you shot that.
I mean, it's possible, and I was just way off on the other one. But let's go. Even though I don't think I killed any of these birds. See them?
Yep, right here.
Nice.
Nice drink. Beauty bird.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Beautiful bird.
Freaking stoned him too.
That is a pretty bird, dude.
Yeah, it's a very nice one. Let's go. Just comes right around that corner.
So I'm gonna let you shoot first.
See how bad my shot is. Yeah. We can use the water
So
to see.
on the water. That's what I mean. That's how I noticed. I was like freaking 2 feet behind that last shot. Which was close though.
Oh, is that him that just took off, or is that a different bird? You see that?
Nope, that's another one.
Another bird. Come on. Yeah, because he took off from like right there.
Okay. Wait, yep, coming right through. He's through the trees.
Yep.
Come on, see him?
Yep. Yep. Kill. successful morning.
Oh yeah.
3 birds down, saw a lot more flying. Gonna come back out here tomorrow morning.
Yeah, first half hour is busy. Like, busy enough where your head's on a swivel and it's freaking snapping back and forth. You can't tell where they're coming from till they're on you, but still a good morning.
Definitely exciting.
Yeah.
More exciting than last year. Did we even see any birds last year when we were out here?
Not when we were back here. When we stood in the food plot, we saw 4 or 5 or something, but you could see them from a lot further away from here.
Yeah.
And the teal worked perfect with, you know,
oh yeah,
circling back, trying to dump right in the river in front of us, so they made it pretty easy. And then late, but had 2 woodies come, or 1 woody dumped in, another one came through, they both flew out and we got one of them, so.
Yeah, pretty good day.
Yep, good morning.
Get back out here tomorrow. Nice shooting.
You too, thank you.
Yeah.
Maybe.
We'll see, we'll have to check the footage.
Gun work.
You say gun work. I missed that sucker. I just watched you guys shoot.
I was nowhere close to hitting it. Gun work.
Shot, dude. I don't know. Wait for it. Hey, he's might be circling. Might be circling.
Another one's left. Another one's left.
Yeah, that one's far out. That one looked like it had a clip wing.
Good dog would have got that bird right away.
Hey.